evening, everyone. Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So, Dash, quick update and a bigger perspective look. Sold off, nice big long tail bar down to just below the 257.71, our bottom 25% target, which was from the reverse GAN box from the high on the 14th to the low back on October 9th. So those targets are reached, and that is done. Now, if anybody was able to pick anything up on that last dip or made any trade, just want to show you where our target would be. So our target area would be no more than the 281 level. Why would that be the farthest target we would shoot for? Well, that's against the rotation zone on the 4-hour chart. So first that's to get into the rotation zone, then that's essentially all the way on the other side. So that's the farthest we'd put it out. A more conservative target could be about the 280 level. Let's see what that looks like on the daily chart. It's always good to use these multi-time frames. So that level right there is right near the prior breakdown area. So that is a pretty good target based off the daily chart because it's below the rotation zone. So we don't want to hold anything into the rotation zone on the daily chart just yet because it's still very key resistance. So if we're trading in and out of Dash, we want to use these dips to key levels, especially with reversal patterns, to buy some and then go with the conservative target until we get the daily and the 4-hour rotation zones in our favor. You can see now from the new GAN projections lower, if we do dip back down, the targets for the next buying opportunities we'll be looking for are 251 and about 245. Let's see where those fall on the weekly basis. So here's our weekly chart, and you see we're now nearing the bottom of the rotation zone. So we're still in neutral to slightly bullish mode, looking for these key levels to pick up some Dash on these dips if we get a sustainable pattern, and then we're taking conservative targets to help take some off, and then on dips we buy some back on and then use the conservative targets to take some off. And these are still both very solid targets because they're within the weekly rotation zone. So we have for you on this quick Dash educational update. I hope people are starting to see how you can combine the weekly, the daily, the 4-hour, even the 1-hour, all the different rotation zones on those concepts, and plus the GAN levels to help you identify key levels which you might want to buy or sell your coins at. That's what we have for you, and we will talk to you again soon. Thanks for watching.